Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to save a live photo as a video on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first, what you want to do is open up your camera and make sure that your live is on. Now basically I want to take a live photo, which is just moving your camera or moving yourself, and as you can see now this is my live photo. And then basically click on the three dots at the top right and save as a video. And now it's saved. As you can see, it is a video, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.